Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be providing you two natural recipes that you need for you to clear your stretch marks, your stubborn stretch marks, those stretch marks that have refused to go, that you have tried several methods, you have taken lots of drugs and all that just to clear them, and they are still there, very stubborn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mix those two recipes, how to use them, when to use them, and everything that you need. So if this video is something that you would want to watch, that you know that is something that I've been looking for, stay put to the end of the video. So guys, the two recipes that you need, two natural recipes that you need for this stretch mark removal is red oil and ash. So I'm going to be showing you guys the red oil and ash. So guys, this is the ash. I want you to see it. This is the ash. Ash is always gotten from a burnt wood or plank or ash. You can just google. I don't even know what else to say, but ash is always gotten from firewoods and other things. So this is ash, and the next major thing that you need is red oil. You guys know I don't joke with red oil. Like, I don't play with red oil. This red oil, a lot of people take it for granted. A lot of people do not know the skincare use of red oil. I made a video where I told you guys how to use red oil and one other special natural ingredient. These two things that you need just to clear your sunburn. You can go to my videos and check for the video and then watch the video. But right now, today, I just want to teach you guys how to get rid of stretch marks using red oil and ash. So this is the red oil, this is the ash. So this is the ash and that's the red oil. So let's go to the video very quickly so that you can hear me. I will have to put this microphone on my clothes so that I'll be able to show you guys the whole stuff. Right. Okay, good. So I'm going to go straight into the mixing of the ash and the red oil. Let's get into the mixing. So guys, these are just the things that you need. You need a spoon, and you need a plate, a very clean plate, and you need your ash, and you need your red oil. So let's just get into the video. The first thing you have to get is your ash. Get at least, depending on how you want to do this, you can just make a bigger quantity that you will keep and then you'll be using every day, or you can just make the one that you use instantly and then you wash it off. Right? So for today, I already have some, so I don't need to make a lot of them. So I'm going to be using just one spoon of ash. This is the ash. This is the 1 spoon of ash. Then you're going to be taking just half spoon of, you don't need to make it half spoon, just take just small quantity of the red oil. Oh my god. Okay, this is half spoon of the red oil. I don't know if you can see it, but I just don't want it to pour. So this is the half spoon of the red oil. Guys, this is the half spoon of the red oil. I've already poured it inside this. We'll mix it together. I'm going to use my hands to mix them properly, but you can always use your spoon, your whatever, but make sure you don't wear white when mixing this so that it won't stain your clothes. All right, so you can see what this looks like. Hey, okay guys, so this is actually what it looks like. I want it to be very thick, that's why I made it this way. But if you don't want it to be very thick, you can also add more red oil to it, depending on how you want it. However you want it, it's fine, right? So let's apply this. I do not have stretch marks. I think I have it on my hand here, but very small, because I've been treating it for a while now. But I don't have stretch marks on this hand. So this is just to show you how to, this is just to show you how to apply the paste on the affected place. You just have to put it on the affected place. That is the exact place that you have stretch marks. So let me say we have stretch marks here. You are going to rub it in. Make sure you wear something that, even if this touch it, to not stain, right? So you can see I'm massaging it in. You massage it in. So this is it. You can see very natural. This doesn't have any side effect. Anyone can use it. It doesn't have any side effect. Just ash and red oil. So once you are done doing this, you leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how you have the chance. If you don't have chance, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. But if you do have chance, just leave it between 20 to 30 minutes. And then after that, you wash it off with warm water. Try this for like 7 days, 1 week at a stretch. Before you start this whole thing, before you start applying this paste or this stretch mark remover, before you start doing this recipe, this removal recipe, the first thing you should do is you take a picture of yourself or of that stretch marks, the affected place. Take a picture of the affected place, and then you start it. And the next 1 week, 7 days, you can just go back to check the before picture and the after picture to see the tremendous result. I bet you that this works very, very well. It works so well. So do well to try this, and then tell me, come back to the comment section and tell me what your results were like, so that we'll be able to know that it worked for you. Please, if you love this video, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and tell people about this channel. Let's do well to get to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions that you want me to talk about, if you have any skincare issues, if you have any skincare problem, if you have any skincare topic that you would want me to talk about, do well to put it on the comment section, and I will sure do well to answer. All right, thank you very much and have a great day.